What's up, guys? Technically, it's Christmas Day. Had you gotten to the merch store a couple weeks ago, you could have had these for Christmas. It's a dope sweatshirt, right? It's in the merch store. You know what else is in the merch store? Cobalt Crew beanies. Why am I getting all warmed up? Because I'm going to test drive the Altima. Wish me luck. I'm going to be honest here, boys. I don't know how well this is going to go. Because it's pretty cold out. I figure Christmas Day, my chances are pretty good getting away with this. That's my theory anyways. Could be a terrible theory. Total possibility that we get pulled over. Will we go to jail on Christmas? Probably not. Right? Hopefully not. I don't know. Let's see what happens. I need to adjust some mirrors, I can tell you that. Chore all its own. Oh, fuck. It's a pain in the dick to get in and out of. Now my jacket's all pulled up. Okay. How's this gonna go? Terrible. It's a terrible idea. Hello? Where's reverse? There it is. Sitting too low, man. I'm gonna add a pad to this seat. Fast, guys. Third gear works. We needed third gear to work. I really hope that camera's still on the roof because everything's a little bit cold and stuff didn't want to stick real well. Still goes straight, even though I yanked and pulled on stuff. Let's try fourth gear. Fourth gear feels pretty good. Service engine soon, we got a battery light, we got an e-brake light, we got air pressure, too close. We made it. Well, to my in-laws' house anyways, but I figured I went in the house, took all my stuff off, and then thought, you know what? You should probably go out and open the hood and make sure nothing's smoking or on fire. So that's what we're doing. All right. Nothing smells too funny. No smoke at all. Everything looks good. Not bad. Nothing smells too weird. Is that closed? That's closed. GoPro didn't fall off. All right. In a little bit, we'll rip it back to the house. Woo. I think it got colder. All right. Let's rip this thing back to the house. I'm getting ready to put some graphics on this car, but I need to rant first. I need to rant. Facebook Marketplace. So obviously, we're taking an Altima to a racetrack. It would be nice if I had a couple spare tires, just in case. You never know what's going to happen. So when we first got the Altima, my father sent me an ad for some spares, some Altima rims and tires that were on Marketplace. Great price. So I messaged the guy, yeah, I'll take them, sure. Said they were in Fairport, New York. Messaged back and forth with the guy, gives me an address. I'm looking at the address, I'm like, man, that don't seem right. So I put it in, it's Connecticut. I'm like, Connecticut? I messaged the guy and I'm like, the ad says that these are in Fairport, New York. He's like, no, they're in Hartford, Connecticut. Okay. I don't know if that was a screw up on his part or Facebook or I don't know. Anyways, whatever, it is what it is. Obviously, I'm not driving to Connecticut for rims and tires. So I ignored it. We worked on the car. We got the car ready. A couple days ago, I was like, you know what? I should probably find some rims and tires. So there was an ad in Lockport, New York for 2 wheels and tires. I'm like, all right, 2 wheels and tires. Okay. Message the guy. We agree on a price, agree on a place, time. I tell him, you know what? In the morning, I'll shoot you a message telling you I'm on the way with the ETA. So I got up this morning. We agreed to meet before 10 a.m. He said that was the best time for him. I messaged him, said I'm on the way, gave him my time of arrival, drove all the way out there, went to the address. It's like a little plaza, which isn't uncommon on Marketplace. People don't like giving you their home address or whatever. But the plaza had like a couple of apartments. It had a little auto detailing place, and on the one end there was a bar. I'm like, oh, well, it could be the auto detailing place, right? Automotive? Sure. I knock on some doors. Nobody answers. Knock on a couple more doors, the apartments. They answer. Neither one of them are the guy I'm looking for. I go into the bar because the open sign was on. He doesn't know what I'm talking about. I call the phone number for the auto detailing place. That guy doesn't know what I'm talking about. Like, all right. And when I got there, I messaged, I'm here, So I wait. I give the guy, half an hour. Waiting. No answer. So I drove an hour to Lockport for no reason. So that's 2 hours, 2.5 hours of my day and a half a tank of gas. Still don't have spare tires and rims for this car. So I am irritated. I'm a little bit irritated. I'm half tempted to share the link and let you guys tell him you're going to come buy the wheels and then not show and then give him a 1-star review. I'm tempted. I'm tempted because I'm irritated. Wasting, I get 2 days a week to work on my shit because I have to work the other 5, which is, the American dream apparently. And he wasted half of my day. Not half of my day. 2.5 hours of my day. Anyways, I got a couple things to do before I can put graphics on, but then I'm going to throw the time lapse on. Basically, I need to get the rear door handles off so that I have a flat surface to put the graphics on. Got to rivet some aluminum on there so we got a flat surface. I got to make a gas door because it's missing for some reason. I don't know. A couple things to do. Then I'm going to put the time lapse on, throw the graphics on the car, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. That's what we're doing. All right, we got to talk about the sponsors. First on the list, JFL Construction out of Ontario, Canada. Second on the list, 5 and 20 Auto and Fab in Caledonia, New York. Third on the list is going to be our friends over at Tyson's Upper Deck in Lima, New York. Jody sponsors my other race car and my son's car, so love to have her on board. Next is American Wayside Cannabis Wellness Store in Mumford, New York, right across the street from the fire department. And then we've got Cheech's Deets Mobile Detailing Service. Anthony Capini coming on board. Appreciate that. Then, of course, Melcher's Auto Care. We've talked about them before. Brian requested the windshield, so he got it. And then we've got Blade. Special thanks to Corey for throwing some money in the gas pot. And my friends Teresa and Kyle also throwing some money into the gas pot. Whiteside's Workshop, of course, my uncle, for helping us get this cage installed and bent up. There's a video on that you should probably watch. And, of course, Shuey Graphics coming in clutch, as always, with the graphics. And Brian, being my friend, also threw in a fancy new Dale Earnhardt license plate. Yeah, we do it for Dale around here. All right, guys, that's it for this episode, and that's pretty much it for the Altima build. Next time you see this thing, we're going to be headed to the Freedom Factory, because on January 17th is the Altima 600 in Bradenton, Florida. You can watch it on Freedom Plus pay-per-view. If you live near me or anywhere near Caledonia, New York, the Springbrook Tavern, Tap and Table, I'm not sure what it's called right now, the Springbrook, they're going to have the pay-per-view at the bar. So if you're in this area and you want to watch it, head on down there on January 17th, have some drinks, have some good food, watch me race. I plan on winning. It's the whole point. Anyways, love you guys. Jesus loves you. Keep it creative and happy building. Happy New Year. Today is New Year's Eve. Catch you next time.